What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be getting into a couple different things. One, we're going to be making some lanyard beads using this antler. This is the other piece of this knife that we just restored and customized a couple videos ago. If y'all haven't seen that, go check it out. We're going to be making some lanyard beads with this, and then we're going to be making a bench hook. So instead of me having to work on this board that's sliding around for all my punching and cutting and stuff, y'all can see, we're going to be making it where it can slide and butt up against the edge of my workbench and it doesn't slide around and stuff. We're going to be using these this is a big stair tread, heavy duty, thick wood, and then just a trimmed piece of another one. So we're going to be slicing this in half, using one piece to go under the edge to lock it on the edge of your workbench, and then another piece that's going to go right here, which allows you to slide a piece of wood against it. Like say I was wanting to cut this little 1x2, I'd slide it against this, and then I can saw right here. And then I'll have all this to do all my leather punching and stuff on as well. Let's get to it. Alright, we got these cut. Now one block's going to go back here. Get a couple holes pre-drilled and get it screwed in. Just gotta get this screw in here so it stays lined up. Alright, there's our backstop, so when we're sawing the board, we can stick the piece of wood right here and hold on, and saw right here on either side. Now we gotta get the lip on the bottom here so that it can butt up against something and stay. Alright, y'all, got the build of it done. You can see what I'm talking about. You got this lip on the bottom so you can butt it up against the edge of your workbench. Not this, obviously, this is just an example piece. And then you throw your piece of wood right there, and now you can get away to sawing right here and not have to worry about messing up your workbench top or whatever. It gives you a solid hand to push on to hold that board still. Like having a third hand right there. I think it's super useful. I think everybody needs one. Let's get this thing burnished and oiled, and then we'll get to making those antler lanyard beads. Alright. Got our bench hook set up. Let's get this antler over here. I'm going to be saving this end. That's going to be like a toggle button for something else. Let's get to this. Alright. There's a couple that'll be good for lanyard beads. And then we got the one that'll be a toggle button. Let's get to working on these a little more. Alright, got all those corners rounded off pretty good. Now we just gotta drill some holes in them and oil them up. Alright, y'all. Let me know what y'all think of that new camera angle over there, over the grinder and stuff. I'm trying to work out getting all these videos, you know, changing it up a little bit. Let me know what y'all think. Let's get these oiled up. They should darken up real nice. Alright, y'all. That was building a bench hook and a couple of antler lanyard beads. I like them a lot. I like how they turned out. That Appaloosa bone, where it's got all that spotting in it. I think it's really pretty. I like how those turned out. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. How this video turned out. Like the video if y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers this year. And share the video with family or friend if you think they might enjoy this kind of content. I appreciate y'all very much for watching. Until next time, this has been Dime.